These are the three things that every explosive stock has in common. Now, the first thing you have to understand is what makes a stock explosive, and that is demand. Well, how can we spot demand before it actually happens? Well, we have to be trading what everybody else is going to want to trade. It's this perfect storm of what everybody is going to want to be a part of. And these are the three things that attract them every single time. Number one here is range. The biggest reason why somebody is going to buy at higher prices is knowing that there is room to go to higher prices. And for that, they need room to the upside, range. Now, if you look back at any of my big runners from last week, like QNCX that exploded over 300%, or CCHH that also ran a few 100%, or even Chow, which did the same exact thing, they all have an incredible amount of range to the upside. They were all incredibly beat down, which gave everybody else out there a reason to be buying at these higher prices. They had incentive. Next is share price. And again, what share price is going to generate the highest amount of demand? Well, cheap is typically better. Now, by now, I've coached well over 15,000 traders, and the one thing I hear from new traders the most is they don't want to trade stocks over $10 a share. So that lets me know what the majority want to do and what they don't want to do. Most traders out there want to trade stocks under $10 a share because they think they're going to make less money trading more expensive stocks. And while that might not be the case, it is herd mentality, and we can't change that. So the most explosive stocks are generally priced under $10 a share, generally between $1 and $10. And the last and most key part of all of this is float. Now, float represents the supply of the stock, which is of course key when you're talking about demand. The larger the float, the greater the supply. The smaller the float, the lesser the supply. And of course, if you have a smaller supply, it requires less demand to make that stock move. So whenever we're looking at the stocks that explode hundreds or even thousands of percent, they all have a float under 10 million shares. Anything over 10 million shares generally trades a bit thick, as we call it. It takes a lot of volume to really get that thing to move. And so because of that, the lower float stocks tend to be a lot more volatile and a lot easier to move as well. And when all three of those things come together, you get some pretty amazing moves just like this last week on QNCX. I actually put together a full intro to trading course as well in the 7-day free trial. So go join the free trial, watch through all of these videos, get ready for tomorrow because it is about to be another fun day in the market. But let me know, what do all of your top stocks have in common? Before you take that next trade, remember this video.